students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same chapter Time and Work. So let us see what type of problem we'll be having in part 2 of type 4 for this topic. So A can finish a work in 10 days. We know the time taken by A, B, C by all of them, but they are doing this work alone. So A takes 10 days, B takes 12 days and C takes 15 days to finish the work. After getting this, we can find out the value for work by considering the LCM. So work value is going to be of course 60. 15 fours are, 12 fives are 60 and 10 sixes are 60. Likewise, we can get the value for the efficiency also. Till here, everything is clear because this we are doing from so long how to get the value of work, efficiency with the help of the time. Okay. They started working together. Now all three of them started working together and they worked for so long, but exactly for how long they worked, for how many days, that is missing here. So that we don't know. Let's consider X number of days. Then after that, A left 5 days before the end of the work. So the work gets end here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly here, A is going to leave the work. That means अभी तक तो तीनों साथ में कर रहे थे. Suddenly A stopped working, but before ending of the work, before 5 days of the ending of the work, A left the work and B left the work. B left 2 days after A left. So here B left, okay, here A left, and after 2 days at this point B is also going to leave. That means with this timeline, with this chart, we have to understand for how long they have worked. That is missing here. ABC multiplied by X. So A plus B plus C, efficiency is 15. Combined efficiency multiplied by the number of days. Time multiplied by efficiency, okay, is going to give me the work, okay. Plus, this is for the initial days where all three of them working, right? So 5 days before A left, but in between these two, we have this 2 days, and this in these 2 days who was working? Of course B and C. So B and C were working here for 2 days because A ने तो छोड़ दिया है. अब बचे B और C. 2 दिन तक काम करेंगे, फिर B भी चला जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर C काम करेगा for 3 days. Like this we have to understand. So B and C are working with efficiency 9 for 2 days and C is working with efficiency 4 for 3 days, is equals to total work which is 60. This equation is really very important to create. Once you are able to do this with the help of this graph which we created, you can easily get the value. Okay. So 15x plus 18 plus 12. 18 plus 12 gives me 30 and 60 minus 30 is going to give me again 30. 30 divided by 15 gives us 2, which is the value of X, or we can say the time taken by A, B, C, all three of them. So तीनों ने सिर्फ 2 दिन तक ही काम किया, फिर A चला गया, फिर 2 दिन तक और काम हुआ, फिर B चला गया और फिर C ने अकेले 3 days तक काम किया. So how long they have worked? In how many days will the total work finish? तो यहाँ पर starting में they were working. This is the answer. For 2 days they were working, all three of them together. Then again 2 of them worked. B and C worked for 2 more days, and then till the end only C worked alone for 3 days. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 gives me 7. Total 7 days they took to finish the work. So total work or total time taken to finish the entire work from beginning till the end. Doesn't matter who was working for how long. If they ask for how long C was working, तो C ने तो कभी काम छोड़ा ही नहीं है. C ने starting से जो join किया था, C was there for all 7 days. And how long B has worked? So 2 plus 2 total 4 days B has worked. How long A has worked? Only for 2 days A has worked. And for how long all three of them have worked? Only for 2 days only. All three of them have worked. B and C has worked for how many days? So 2 plus 2 total 4 days they have worked together. Like this it can be asked anything. We have to just understand the concept. Okay. Let us move to the next example. A, B, C can finish the work in 36, 54 and 72 days. Individually, if they are working alone, so how long they will be taking to finish the work? Like this, we have to get the value. To take the LCM of 36, 54 and 72. So 36, 54, 72 LCM. We know 36 by 36, 72 is completely divisible. So 9 6s are 54, 9 8s are 72. or we can write it as 18 threes are and 18 fours are also, right? So the LCM is going to be 18 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, which is 216, right? So efficiency can be found 36 6 are, here will be getting 4 and here it will be 3, right? After getting this efficiency, what has been given in the question? All three started working together, but A left 8 days before the ending of the work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A has left here. A left the work at this place. That means whosoever was working till the end, maybe B and C were working or maybe only C is working. So in 8 days, that person was working alone or two of them were working alone. Let's read the next line of this question. B left 12 days before the end of the work. 12 days before, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. मतलब A के भी पहले अगर किसी ने काम छोड़ा है, so that person is B. So A, B, C were working initially together, but for how long they were working, that is missing in the question. And then B left suddenly. So B छोड़कर चला गया, अभी भी A and C are still there. For how long they are there together? For 4 days only. Because this is 12, this is 8. So 12 and 8, it has 4 days gap. So A and C are working together for 4 days. And then suddenly A also leaves the work. So only C is working till the end for those 8 days. So in this 8 days, only C is working to finish this 216 work remaining part. Okay. So A plus B plus C combined efficiency is 13 multiplied by X plus A and C. Let me write this. A, B, C together they are working for X days. Then B leaves the work. A and C works for 4 days. And then C is there for 8 days to finish 216 work, right? With the help of this graph, we can conclude this. Then A and C combined efficiency is 6 plus 3, 9 multiplied by 4. Plus C's efficiency is 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to 216. This gives me 36, 24. When I add this, it gives us 60. So 216 minus 60 gives me 156, which is equivalent to 13x. So the value for x is going to be 156 divided by 13, which gives me 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Okay. So 12 days they were working together. All three of them were working for 12 days. They worked for 12 days and then B leaves the work and then only A and C did that work for 4 days together and then A also left out and then C is going to do it for 8 days alone to finish that entire task of 216, okay, remaining part of it. So how long all three worked together? तीनों ने साथ में कितने दिन तक काम किया? So A, B, C were working for 12 days together. So 12 days is going to be the answer for this. I hope it's easy to understand. अब जल्दी से इस टाइप के problems को solve कीजिए and give your answer in the comment box so that I'll understand in more better way what problems you are getting.